One bright morning, Tichu the rabbit and his friend Montu the fox were walking across the green carpet of the forest. Montu was starving, his stomach growling loudly. He said to Tichu in a pained voice, "Oh Tichu, I'm so hungry. If only I could find some sweet, juicy mangoes right now, I'd feel so much better." Tichu scanned the path ahead with his bright eyes and exclaimed, "Look, Montu, there's a huge mango tree right there, loaded with beautiful fruit. Come on, let's hurry." They both ran to the tree. But just as they stood beneath it, a thunderous sound echoed from inside the tree. Achoo! Hearing this, Montu jumped back 3 feet in terror. Trembling, he cried, "Oh my God, the tree just sneezed. This must be a haunted tree. Let's run, Tichu." However, Tichu wasn't one to get scared so easily. Using his wit, he said, "Wait a minute, Montu. Do trees ever sneeze? There must be something else going on. Let's look behind the tree and see what's happening." Tichu gathered his courage and peeked behind the trunk, only to find a hilarious sight. There was their little friend, Golu the baby elephant. He was using his long trunk to shake the leaves and dust while trying his best to pluck some mangoes. The dust had gotten into his trunk, making him sneeze. Laughing, Tichu said to Montu, "Look, Montu, it's not a ghost, it's our Golu. He was trying to get mangoes, and the dust made him sneeze." Montu lowered his head in embarrassment and said, "Oh boy, I got scared for nothing." Golu then used his long trunk to pluck ripe mangoes for Montu and Tichu. They all sat under the tree and enjoyed the mangoes together. After this incident, Montu realized that not everything scary is a ghost if you have a little courage. You can find the truth.